Let's begin on how to engage Lego. For Lego, it's very simple. You're going to go to lego.com and you're going to buy 10 of this Yoda keychain. Now be careful because Lego has two different Yoda keychains. And this particular Yoda keychain is the one that you want because they have a purchasing limit of 50. All other keychains have a purchasing limit of only 5. So you want to buy this one. And here is its ASIN number. And here is its corresponding listing on Amazon. Remember, every time you are ungating a product, you want to match that product with its corresponding listing on Amazon. Now, Lego only ships to residential addresses. Make sure you purchase 10 of this Lego keychain in the same order. Make sure to use the same address that has been verified by Amazon on Seller Central. Right after you buy from Lego, Lego will email you with a confirmation. Now, Lego will not send you an invoice on the box where they send you the purchase. Instead, Lego will send you an invoice via email about 2 to 3 days after you purchase. So be looking out for that email. The email looks like this, and you will see a PDF with their invoice. Now, make sure when you open that invoice, do not submit that invoice as it is to Amazon. Instead, use a software. I personally use Snagit, but you can use any other software, and you're going to white out the upper right corner where it says receipt. For some reason, Amazon does not like the word receipt, so you're gonna white it out. You're gonna make that part white, and then you're gonna save it, and that's the invoice you're going to submit to Amazon. With all your Ungates, you want to submit high definition, high quality images of the items that you're purchasing. So once you receive your purchase from lego.com, open it, take pictures of the front, the back, the side, up close, zoomed in, zoomed out of all the keychains that you received. Make sure to also take high definition pictures of the box that they came in with the shipping label that says your name and your shipping address. And again, we want to be as thorough as possible so that Amazon has all the proof that they need to be able to ungate you. They want to make sure that your purchase from Lego is legit. And that's exactly what we are going to be sending. Then you're going to request an ungating via the yellow button on the Amazon listing. And here's where you're going to submit your invoice, all your pictures, and a brief note saying, hey, please get me ungated on this ASIN number. Here is proof of purchase. Here are all the images. And after a day or two, Amazon will respond and they will have approved you. If they haven't approved you, that's pretty normal, especially for beginner seller accounts. That means that you probably got a bad reviewer. So just resubmit again. Make sure to resubmit by changing slightly your file name. So if your initial file names were Lego Invoice 1.png, change it to something like Lego Invoice 2.png. So a slight change. The purpose of this is to go through Amazon's automated detection systems that flag accounts and flag double submissions of ungating requests, and to actually get to another human manual reviewer. And you should be approved after a few attempts since you have all the right elements to get ungated on lego.com.